Hi, this is Wayne from Inkish at Label Expo in very sunny Barcelona. I have the pleasure to be with Tom from 4Ps. Hi, Tom.
Hi, Wayne.
Really good to see you.
Likewise.
I think you've probably done more of these interviews with Inkish than I have at the moment. I think
Could be. But I've got a new interviewer now.
exactly.
Yeah.
A lot better looking one apparently, I've been told.
Most definitely.
Tom, it's really great to see you. So you're here at Label Expo.
Yeah.
So what can people expect to see if they pop by your booth?
So we're here with two brands. We're here with 4Ps, which is our services and integration brand, and here with Atomyx. With Atomyx, we're taking print production to the cloud, artwork processing in the cloud, and connected automation in the cloud. Right. So those are the two main things that we're focusing on at Label Expo.
Right, okay. So obviously automation is a buzzword and it has been for quite some time. How are you automating the production process to a degree that's going to actually help printers save money?
Yeah, so I think that what we're seeing is that the automation that people have in place so far is very much focused on file-driven automation. It's artworks moving throughout production, going through different stages of file preparation and things like that. Right. We are focusing more on the actual data exchange. You see that more and more business is being done online, different platforms, web shops, open web shops, closed web shops. All these different platforms, they have different data models, and that data needs to be exchanged in an efficient way. There's a huge IT challenge there in connecting these different systems together. And when we focus on automation, or when we talk about automation, it is really automating the data exchange rather than the file exchange as such.
Okay. So if you're a PSP, a converter, or wherever it may be, a lot of these systems need an awful lot of work on integration. I mean, do they need to start employing IT people?
Well, to a certain extent, that's where the friction between 4Ps and Atomyx comes from. Okay. As 4Ps, we're really a systems integrator, and so our economic model is services. Okay. What we see is that those projects are relatively large. We're trying to reduce the time that is being spent on those projects, whether that is through our time or through internal IT staff time, by Atomyx, by making that integration a lot easier.
Right, okay. And what about with other software platforms? Obviously integration with other systems, is that something that you offer?
Yeah, and so on the front end, we're looking at integrations with web-to-print systems like Infigo and others, but also what we see is that the marketplace economy, the platform economy is taking up more and more, and so we see platforms like Cloudprinter, Gelato, a little bit more on the commercial print side, but also slowly but surely moving into labels and more into packaging. And so the connectivity with those systems and then exchanging that to MIS systems and downstream production, but also going back upstream is absolutely what we focus on.
Right. So I used to work in software with MIS, and getting a company at all levels to buy into a software platform. I mean, is that something you experience?
I think more and more people are starting to realize that they have to. As I said, the traditional way, I think if you look at digital print as such, there has been digital print engines for many years, many decades, and it has opened lots of possibilities. Right. What we see now is that actually the disruption is happening on the demand side of things. Yep. And so I think that's where that adoption of that type of integration really needs to happen, more than on just the on-prem side of things.
Yeah. Well, it's a fascinating subject, and obviously automation and workflow, I mean, it's just growing in the industry. Yeah. Really great to see you.
Likewise again.
And I guess we'll probably be seeing you in Denmark early part of next year, we hope.
Denmark, but before that, probably in Printing United.
Oh, yes, we'll see you out there.
Yeah.
Really good to see you. Thanks, Tom.
Cheers,
Thank
Wayne.
you.
Cheers.